See, the problem with us is we don't be excited enough about living. We don't be happy enough about living. We don't be excited enough about winning our day, about owning our day. We don't be excited enough about controlling the controllables, right? We be too worried about the stuff that we can't control. We be too worried about the negativity. We be too worried about a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't serve us no positive purpose to be worrying about. And we don't even be thankful for the moment. We don't even be thankful that we woke up. We don't even be thankful that the sun is shining and that we can come outside and literally get energy from the sun. Literally get natural energy from the sun. But we just be complaining. We don't be thankful for the young energy that keeps us young. That young energy that keeps us motivated, right? A lot of people might be yelling and screaming, telling these youngsters, oh, be quiet, you're getting on my nerves, you're bothering me. And trust me, they do sometimes, but I'm still thankful for that energy. I'm standing out in the sun right now. They saying, coach, you coming in? But I'm thankful for the energy. Some of them y'all be yelling and screaming at them, yelling and hollering at them. But I'm thankful for that energy. And that's the type of energy that we need to learn to appreciate. But we be worried about the negative energy. Nah, I said, bro, can y'all keep the water in the pool? They splashing me up and stuff, you know what I mean? Hi, princess. I tell y'all about enjoying and appreciating life. My man Phil right here, he's deaf. Hey, what's up to him, Phil? Happy birthday to Phil. He's deaf right now. We're celebrating his birthday. He's actually one of my fighters. But that's what I'm talking about. That man communicates through sign language and reading lips, right? I have to corner him in a fight. In the fight, he can't wear his earpieces and he can't hear nothing. But he's out there. He's out there fighting. He can't even hear nothing. And he's out there. And that's what I be talking about. That man's not worrying about, that man ain't worried about that. That man's about to get in the pool. Got his daughter out here with him. You know what I mean? These youngsters out here making fun of me because I'm talking some knowledge and some love to y'all right now, but it's okay. They don't understand it right now because they full of life. But I hope when they get to my age, I always tell them that. I hope when y'all get to my age, y'all are still as full as life as I am, right? And the young ain't gotta worry about it. They full of life automatically. But I always tell them, like I said, y'all better hope when y'all get to my age, y'all are still this as full as life. But they keep me full of life, and I love it. And that's why I'm trying to help y'all understand to just love life. Just be happy, just be thankful. Make the best out of your day with what you have. I'll say that again, make the best out of your day with what you have. Wake up in the morning thankful that you got the opportunity to live another day. And when that day starts, win your day, okay? Make that the story of the day. That's what you want to happen that day. Win the day and make the day as best as you possibly can while controlling the controllables, because we can't control the uncontrollables. So just control the controllables and win your day and make your day the best day that you possibly can. We win. It's abundantly fire. Let's grow.